have 3D printed a cover for this battery that snaps on the battery, clips in the back, and then you pull out. But because I printed it in ABS, it has a brim around the outside that I need to remove. Now normally I just kind of flex this, twist it, break it, pull it all the way off by hand. You'd have kind of a messy edge around the side, and then you'd file that down to get kind of cleaner. So I'm going to try my CtrlAX ultrasonic plastic cutter here, and we're going to see if I can cut through this thin layer of ABS plastic neatly with this guy, and see if that'll do a better job than what I normally do. So it looks like I need to go up higher than the lowest setting. I'm going to try a higher setting here, second highest. We're going to try the highest setting. Oh, that cuts through nicely there. Okay, let me give this a shot. I just followed the edge along there. That seemed to work pretty well. Let's go all the way around. Alright, I'm pretty happy with how that worked out. So now I have this guy. I can put it on here. It snaps in place. It'll stay in place until somebody takes this guy and pulls it out. Alright, this is my Sony MP-F compatible battery cover. It has a conformant little slatch on the bottom here and the 4 little slots there. So you basically take one of these Sony style batteries, you place it down like this, you slide it forward, and when you do, this guy latches behind it so it's not coming off. The tabs keep it from coming out here. If you want to get it off, it's super simple. You pull this down, slide it back, and it pops right back off. So it's loose enough that you can print it on just about any printer without having to change the width or the height. This little guy here makes it so that after you put it on, it's definitely not coming off the battery.